Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to go over a really nice carbon fiber folding electric wheelchair. It's called the Pegasus. And this electric wheelchair can support 310 pounds of weight. It only weighs 39 pounds. It has two batteries that are actually in the frames, so they're easy to access. You can charge the batteries either while they're in the chair, or you can take the batteries out and charge them off the unit. It also has this attendant remote that you can use to operate the chair. I'll show you that here in a little bit. And between the two batteries, it actually has a 24-mile battery range, so really nice battery range, airline approved. This is the blue color, so it has a nice glossy finish. And I really like the chair. We're gonna test it in the grass, kind of do it on an incline, see how it performs, and even do it in some higher grass. And just want to show you how it works. And it's really well made, so I can put all my weight on the armrest and it still supports me just fine. And I can plop down in the chair and it's fine. This chair is really well made. So we're gonna show you some more about the Pegasus. I am going to first start, and we're gonna start at the back and just kind of go through some of the features on this. So we've got some anti-tip wheels here. Right now they're in the power position. So if you look at this, there's power and then there's manual. So they're both pulled back into power, which engages the electromagnetic brakes. So when I accelerate with this and let off the throttle, the brakes automatically engage and slow it down. Now, if I push both of these forward into this manual position, you'll notice there's an error code here. It says error code 2 on the joystick. Now the manual that comes with this shows any of these error codes that come up. There's different numbers. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do to fix it. So very nice troubleshooting. But right now, you can't operate the chair because it's in manual. Now, if I turn this off, I can actually push this like a manual wheelchair. So if you were to run out of battery life, you can still push it, or if you just want to stretch your legs and kind of get up and just push it around and kind of use it as a walker, you can definitely do that. The tires are also flat free tires, and they have these hubcaps that are on the wheels that kind of gives it a unique look. So it's like this glossy black finish. Nice tread on these. Also on the back, I'll show you. I think this is a pretty cool feature. So if I remove this cushion, you can see there's these straps here. So I can make this loose, or I can make this really tight to give you some support on your back. And same thing on the seat. So if I take the seat cushion off, you have some straps here as well. So we got some straps here too that you can tighten and essentially do the same thing. So I'm going to take this all off just to show you. So there's other straps that are underneath here. So here's one, and there's another one here that's kind of hard to see. But you can do the same thing with these. They're Velcro straps to make it more firm or loose to your preference. And they're so firm, they're so strong, the Velcro straps, you can plop down there in this chair just like I just did at the beginning of the video. And to give you a reference, the chair supports 310 pounds of weight, but I weigh about 235. So I can do that just fine. It's a really nice memory foam cushion. Gives you a lot of padding. Now the seat is actually 19 inches in width. And the depth is listed at 16 inches.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those two things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Now I'm going to also show you a few other things. we always get asked measurements about certain things. So I'll just show you real time here with the measuring tape. So yeah, between the armrests, it's a little, almost 19.5 inches between the armrests. Seat width, it's right at 19. Seat depth, yeah, seat depth, it's showing 16. Now, the distance from the seat to the ground, this is a measurement that we get asked quite often. So the ground to the top of the seat, we're showing it is 20 inches. So just wanted to point those measurements out. We get asked that a lot, so I want to make sure we have that information for this product. Now, as far as the armrests, they do flip up for easy entering or exiting the seat. You just flip these tabs up and you can flip it right up and actually pull them all the way back. It's good for transfers in and out of the seat. And then to lock them back into place, you have to pull these tabs back down, which will lock them into place. Now with the foot plate, it's not adjustable, but it does flip up to get in and out. You also have 2 spring shock absorption DuraShocks here, and can even show you. So if I put my foot on the foot plate, you can see the kind of give it has. So these are springs that actually provide good support. No springs on the back, but on the front, they really do make a difference. As far as storage too, we've got a storage compartment under here. You can store some belongings there. We also have these 2 reflective parts of the chair right above these springs on the front wheels. Now, as far as charging the chair, you can charge it, as I said previously, you can charge it directly on the joystick right here. You also have a USB charging port right here. So you can charge your cell phone on this unit, which is nice. So the batteries are really long and they go right in the frame here. So if I pull this tab, I pull this up, then it releases this and I can pull it right out. Now you can test the battery life by pressing this to see if it's charged, it's fully charged. You can charge the batteries off the unit. You can charge 1 battery at a time. So you don't have to bring the whole chair inside your home. You can just do that. And sliding them back in, super easy to do. But yeah, that's how you charge the batteries off of the unit. I'll go over some of these buttons on the joystick. I'm going to put this back in the drive position first before I turn this on. So if I power this on, we have our speedometer, which is in kilometers per hour. This top speed on this is 4.5 miles per hour. You can see it says gear 5. That means that's the top speed that this is set on. So 5 is the top speed, 1's the lowest. We have your battery life. This is an odometer. You can see this says unlocked. So we can operate it with this. Now I can pair this remote with this, which is really nice. Now, a couple of troubleshooting steps. So you can sync it by holding this power button down, but you can see like right now it's, oh, there it showed up. I held it down. Now you can see the Bluetooth symbol shows up. So that means this is connected. So now I can control the chair with this. I can also increase the speed setting by pressing this button. It'll cycle through, it goes 1 through 3, but if you notice, it only goes to 3. Now, if I adjust the speed on this joystick itself, it goes up to 5. But I like this because you can stand beside the user or the person you're taking care of, and you can operate it, get that face-to-face interaction. You can stand in front of them and talk to them. If you're the type of person that has a medical condition where you cannot use the joystick, you can hold this in your hand. So say your arm, you have a hard time controlling this, you can use your hand, just kind of put it against your chest. You can operate it this way. Now, as far as some other buttons on here, you can see the Bluetooth symbol shows it's still paired with the remote control. I'm going to turn this off. Actually, what I'm going to do is just power it off, and I'll power it back on so it's not paired anymore. All right, so obviously this is the power button. Here's how you control the speed control. Get it up to that 5 position. This is your horn.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger, and you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well, and you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
And another cool thing, I like to show this too. So because this chair is airline approved, I think this is really nice to have. Not a lot of electric wheelchairs have this, but when you're traveling with the airline, they're going to require you to remove the batteries and bring them on as a carry-on. And then you also, you don't have to do this, but I think it's important to take the joystick off, especially if you have the ability to disconnect it here like I just did. And then I can take the joystick off and then bring this as a carry-on, because you don't want to break this. So take the batteries off and this, and that's what is required to bring on as a carry-on. Now, if you are left-handed, it's very easy to move this to the left side. So you just have to take the wiring and feed it through on this side, and you take this cap off, and then the screw is already here, so you can slide it into here. So really easy to do that. You can also adjust the length of the armrests a little bit. So if you were taller, you can bring it out or kind of bring it in. So you got a few inches here. You can adjust this. So I'll tighten this back onto the unit, and then I'll secure the joystick on. All right. Now I think that I have covered just about everything on this chair. So now what I want to do, as you can see, there's a little bit of a hill over here. I'm going to try to ride it up this hill and see how this performs. No problem in the off-road terrain here, going in the grass. Now, obviously, because it's a folding electric wheelchair, it's going to perform a lot better on a smooth surface, but it can handle grass just fine, as you can see. And it doesn't impact the speed. It still performs really well. All right, so this is going to be a nice test. See how it does on this hill. All right. So it made it up the hill. Wasn't graceful, but it did go up the hill. Now, same thing with going down. Going down's fine. You want to lean back a little bit, but let me try another part of the grassy terrain over here. This is wasn't really a great place to test it, just because there's some little divots and like holes in the ground right there. But this is a little smoother, this grass over here. So I'm going to try it on here, and I think you'll be able to see if it can handle that incline a little bit better. So let's try that out. Yeah, so this is a little smoother grass wise. I don't see any little holes in the ground. So yeah, I can go right up. Look, I mean, it powers right through this really easily. So I don't know what the incline rating is on this hill, but if I were to guess, I'm going to say it's probably 15 degrees. And then going down, You know, it's not going to keep rolling. I can let off the throttle and then the brakes will engage. You just have to make sure you lean back when you're going down a hill. But very good for that. And there's another area over here I want to try just to show you. The grass is a little higher on here.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So let's head over that way and try in that high grass. Now, I'll say that this brand that makes this is called Discover Your Mobility, and they actually have really, really nice electric wheelchairs, like super nice. I've seen a lot of these in person, and the quality of these are very, very good. So they don't cut corners in quality of these, and their support's been excellent too. Fantastic warranty and support. Actually, we have not had really any issues. So once we sell one of these products, and it doesn't matter what product it is from this company, you usually don't hear from that customer again. So here's the high grass over here. So let's try it out. So it looks like this grass here has not been maintained very well. This is just kind of like an empty lot here. It's a little higher. All right, let's try it now. Just has a low ground clearance, but if it weren't for like the bumps, this thing works just fine. And I think one other thing I forgot to point out about this chair is how to fold it. It's kind of important. It folds very similar to a lot of chairs that you see, but see there's a little red tab here. That's what you use to release it from and to allow it to fold. So I'll just demonstrate real quick for you. First step you always want to do is flip up the foot plate. And then once you do that, you just press this red tab and that breaks the kink in it. And then I can just fold it up like that. And this chair can sit up like this. So you can store it easily in your closet. And then as far as unfolding it, just grab the back and super easy to unfold. So pretty solid electric wheelchair. So again, carbon fiber folding electric wheelchair. You're actually going to see lots more of these on the market. A lot of companies are coming out with these carbon fiber frames because they are lightweight and they can support a lot of weight too. So it's a really well-made chair. Great battery range, great warranty and support, and it's just perfect for the avid traveler too. So if you have any questions about the Pegasus, give us a call. We are open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a really awesome day, and hope this video is helpful. Talk to you soon.